kind of dreading doing this oil pump. I went to O'Reilly's and it looked like they only had one O-ring in the computer, and it was the red one. And I don't know if they're going to even have the black or the green one. And I don't know if this comes with it, and I highly doubt it. I'm thinking I should have got the milling. Everybody says get the milling. I just need an oil pump, man. I'm not even going to mod this one. I'm not going to do the washer and the spring. I'm not going to Dremel out the passageway. Probably just going to stick it right in there. I was hoping, I was supposed to, before I put the motor in, check that dog bone. I didn't check it. I was hoping that the oil pressure gauge had the filter in it, and it was going to be dirty. It didn't have no filter, no screen in it. I was hoping it was going to have that screen in there. Yeah, this ain't going to come with no O-ring. Oh, I might have spoke too soon. It looks like some O-rings right there. Let me see. Now, there's two of them. So I don't know if they're both black, so I don't know if one is equal to the size of the green one and one's the regular size of the black one, or does one of these match the red one I bought? It's in the truck. Kind of worried about it. Had 5 stars, I think it was, on the internet when I looked for it, but I couldn't tell you if it's any good or not. I guess we'll find out the hard way. Yeah, I can see a little bit where they clean that up some. Hell, I got a file that'll do that. I'm not trying to make a mess though. I'm not even trying to have this thing apart, to be honest with you. Look, they tamper marked one of the bolts on there for the warranty. Got the laser etch DNJ. It looks pretty sturdy. I couldn't tell you. And I don't know which O-ring I'm going to need.